All right, Kawasaki KZ guys, let the debate begin. I need your help. What's the best carburetors for my application, and what should I do? Let's go. Hey guys, how you doing? Back from Florida, blessed to be here in the mecca of speed, the shop of the world's quickest and fastest motorcycle drag racer, Larry Spiderman McBride. I'm continuing to work on this Kawasaki 1197. Man, Larry's he's taking this thing to the next level. But anyhow, last night we got to talking with the great Bruce Sauer, who we know is one of the most foremost KZ experts out there, mechanic of the year several times under AMA Pro Star. And we started talking about carburetors. Let me give you the stats on this engine. It's an 1197 Wiseco pistons, 10.5 to 1, nothing done to the head. It's got 390 lift web cams in it. A long time ago for Christmas, my dad bought me these awesome Mikuni 34 millimeter radial flat slides from Schnitz Racing. Great carburetors, right? And at that time, this was probably going to be more of a street strip bike. I've changed course. Now, the fact that it's 44 years old, can you believe that? It's probably not going to make too many laps down the drag strip. It's going to be more of a bike night cruiser, really fun bike. But anyhow, what's the best carburetor? I know this is very debatable. I like these carbs a lot. I can tell you they sound a little bit weird. They sound weird, and I'm going to let you hear that in just a second. So as you can see, they sound a little bit like a frog, but that's not a big deal. From riding the thing, I'm definitely not an engine theory guy, but from riding the thing, I can tell you they work great. Mid to top, maybe not quite as responsive as a smaller carburetor would be down low. Maybe we can fix that with jetting. I don't know. Anyhow, we talked to Bruce yesterday. Bruce says 29 smoothbores, the best carburetor for a Kawasaki KZ 1200 and under. And Bruce has a lot of experience in this realm. He likes the 34s too, but he says 29, the most drivable, the best absolute carburetor for this application. What's your opinion? I want to know. Let's have a little fun with this debate. I know a lot of you are going to say 33s. Which carburetor is the best and why? And more importantly, what should I do out of these three options? Should I, one, keep the 34s on there and forget about it? They're like brand new and they're good carburetors. Two, try to get some 29 millimeter smoothbores, maybe work a trade. If you guys have them, let me know. Or three, a totally different carburetor that you think works best. Let us know, KZ guys. Thanks so much. Here with the expert, Larry McBride. We're having a little bit of a debate here. For this motor, what do you think is the most ideal carburetor?
Well, I mean, I'm definitely partial to the to the Mikunis for sure, and I do like the, I really like the 33s. I used to use them a lot, and the 29s. And I would definitely take Bruce's recommendation as far as on the 29s being the most drivable, and which I would think probably are the most drivable. Another good person probably to check on that would be Lester Jenkins. I mean, he's built so many of these things also, and I know he loves the 29s and the 33s. Unfortunately, they're hard to find anymore, so you can't get them. I've put many of 29s on bikes before, but I mainly did Suzuki's back in the day, so we mainly used 33s. So, and we've used some of the CR carburetors in the past, and I mean, they're good carbs too. They're just a little more finicky, not as user-friendly, I don't think, as a Mikuni is. Even though they're still a great carb, make good power, there's nothing wrong with them. A little bit more adjustability, that might be making them a little bit more aggravating sometimes for people. I don't really have a big issue with them, but I've just had a lot of customers that had them in the past and had some problems with them. And we really like the flat slides. The flat slides are really nice carburetors, a little noisy because the slides rattle around and clang, and that's just a normal deal that goes along with the flat slides.
Thank you for your expert opinion. All right, now it's your time to weigh in, KZ fans. Let me know down below what's the best carburetor for this application and why. Share with any KZ fanatic for sure. And hey, there could be more than one right answer. Could come down to personal preference. Let's see what you say down below.